In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Slack, a business communication tool. In this tutorial designed specifically for beginners in 2021, whether you're new to Slack or just looking to brush up on your skills, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know to get started and become efficient in your communication tasks. First things first, open your web browser and head over to the Slack website. If you're new to Slack, you'll want to sign up for a new workspace, but if you're already part of one, go ahead and log in to your existing workspace. Slack offers various convenient options to use its platform, including a desktop app, a mobile app, or simply using the web version. Choose the method that best fits your needs and preferences. Once you're in, the next step is to join or create a workspace. If you've been invited to a workspace, look for the invitation link in your email and click to join. Simple as that. On the other hand, if you're setting up your own workspace, you'll need to enter your email address, come up with a name for your workspace, and invite your team members by sending them emails. Now that you have access to a workspace, it's time to understand how channels work. Channels are Slack's way of organizing conversations related to specific topics, projects, or teams. There are two types of channels you should be aware of: public channels, which are accessible to everyone within your workspace, and private channels, which are exclusive and require an invitation to access. When you're looking to join a specific channel, simply search using the hashtag followed by the channel name. With a good grasp of channels, you can move on to sending messages. Select a channel or direct message for communicating and type your message in the message box. Slack provides various formatting options such as bold, italic, or strike through to emphasize your words. Don't forget to make your messages lively by adding emojis, or make sure important messages reach their intended audience by mentioning your teammates with their usernames. If you need to share files, Slack makes it easy. Just drag and drop files into your Slack channels or direct messages. For a seamless workflow, try integrating apps like Google Drive, Trello, or Zoom into your workspace. Remember to use Slack reminders and pinned messages to keep track of important tasks. To keep everything organized, take advantage of the search bar, which allows you to find messages, files, or links quickly. To quickly return to essential items later, star or pin them for easy access. Additionally, customize your notification settings to ensure you're alerted how and when you prefer, and enable the Do Not Disturb feature during focus hours. Keep your profile updated with your current status and availability so your teammates always know when you're reachable. With these tips, you're now ready to make the most out of Slack for efficient and organized communication. Happy Slacking!